Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this really cute set using all these things I'm going to list right here. So if you want to see what I'm going to get in the end, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and start with my base coat. I am just going to be using one coat. I don't do two of this color because it is pretty opaque. So if you want to do two, you can. I just did one just because it's my liking. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and polish all these the exact same color. By the way, I did buff and file my nails prior to polishing them. I always do that. I just didn't film it this time. So yeah, just go ahead and buff and file your nails first and then just do one coat or two. It's your decision, but I did one, so yeah. So now that you're done curing all the nails, you're going to go ahead and take your matte top coat. I use this one just because it's going to give a nice contrast to the other polish once we do the drip design. So go ahead and apply all your matte top coat. This is a pretty good matte top coat. It will be linked in the description box down below. If it's sold out, I'm so sorry. It gets sold out pretty quickly, so if it's there, get it now. So yeah, just go ahead and apply your matte top coat. So now we're going to go ahead and take our Champagne Sparkle. This is a really pretty color. It did grow on me because I just did a swatch review on this, and at first I didn't like it because it wasn't the color I was expecting, but it turns out to be a really beautiful rose gold glitter. It's extremely opaque. You really only need one coat of this too if you were to do a complete set with this, but for now we're going to just focus on our drip design. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and create the top part. It's like the cuticle area. Using it, I am going to eventually switch nails, so just do a full cuticle area and then drag it down. You can add, polish here and there. I do have some extra polish on the side. That's what I keep dipping my brush into. So yeah, just kind of want to drag it down, make sizes that are like not the exact same. So you want to go small, medium, long, in So you also want to fill in these random gaps that are going to be there at first. So you just kind of want to make like a U shape to like combine right here. So you make a U shape so it can like combine the drip, so it doesn't look like it's like just lines coming out of a straight, you know, glitter chunk at the top. You just want to kind of like meld them together by making like a U shape in between the lines, so it's not like a random straight line, it's like an actual drip effect. So now we're going to go ahead and take our daughter tool. This is a double-sided one. I got this from Westonia. I'm just going to use the smaller end of it, not the bigger one, just because I don't need the end of the drip to be extremely big. It'll cause you to do less. My dog is howling, sorry. But yeah, like I said, just go ahead and not drag it, but you just go ahead and make the polka dots to, you know, elongate the drip effect after you add the dots in. So right here, I'm just repeating the exact same thing I did for the first nail. You just want to go ahead and drag down the U and combine the line so it doesn't look really random and spaced out. Also, once you get done with the glitter, you want to go ahead and add a gloss coat on top of the glitter, just so it'll be like, you know, have a top coat and not just a random polish. And it'll help with the extraness of the contrasting, like of the matte and the gloss, so it'll look really nice.